ETC Fun Unlimited को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाएं और इस घंटे को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे सारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच जाएं।
Hey guys, today is a wonderful Sunday evening and to make it even more special, we are preparing mutton keema curry. And the keema, what we've done is, we have made the keema into balls so it's easy for the kids to consume. And then we ultimately put it into some kind of a gravy or a curry. We can eat it with chapati. So this is how it goes.
Make mutton keema. You have to make mutton keema and just put the mutton in the blender and then mix it. And add an egg. I've added one egg. After you add one egg, a little bit of salt, half spoon salt, a little bit of red pepper, a little bit of dhania powder. That's it. Now, so this thing is ready to make meatballs. I'm making meatballs out of it. Either you can coat them with breadcrumbs or you can just cut them really like this and make a meatball.
So we're chopping out the tomatoes and then we'll put it in the gravy. So as you can see folks, this is the paste right now. It took around 4 minutes to get it reduced, and this is the tomato paste which we just made out.
After we see when onion is golden brown, 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons of tomato puree. Tomato puree added. Now we will add all the salad.
So what's the masala?
Salt,
Okay.
as per taste. Lamb mirchi, red pepper, paste, pinch of turmeric, dhania powder.
And we mix it well. So guys, after we put the tomato gravy, we have reduced it further.
We have to reduce till the oil comes out.
So we have reduced the tomato, we are adding some cream to it. So this makes it even more tastier and richer. We are adding water to this cream and this makes the gravy.
Not too much of garam masala. There will be more taste of mutton to come out.
So in goes the mutton. So we let it boil for a while. So guys, we just made the mutton kofta curry and it looks like this. It's really an amazing treat for a great Sunday. So cheers and see you in another video. Till then, ciao.
ETC Fun Unlimited को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाएं और इस घंटे को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे सारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच जाएं।